This machine uses a feller buncher to efficiently fell trees, showcasing modern, large-scale logging technology. This machine uses an automated robotic arm to move and package a large quantity of food jars. This machine uses an automated sorting system to separate and grade fish on a conveyor belt. This machine is an efficient tea harvesting tool, quickly trimming and collecting tea leaves on the farm. This is a brick-making machine that uses an extrusion process to produce hollow clay bricks. This automated machine uses a specialized cutter to shape and join wooden boards into an interlocking finger joint. This specialized truck uses an extendable ladder with a platform to lift materials to higher floors of a building. This laser welder uses a focus beam to precisely join metal parts, creating strong, clean welds in various applications. This shows a crane and a team of workers using a hook to unload large sacks from a cargo ship. This forging process uses rollers to bend a red-hot metal bar into a continuous ring. This automated paint booth uses a conveyor system and robotic sprayers to paint a drum. This tractor attachment is an auger drill used to efficiently and rapidly dig multiple holes for planting crops. That's an efficient metal stamping process, creating perfectly shaped parts in seconds. This machine is a stump grinder, used to grind a tree stump into wood chips. This worker uses a specialized scraping tool to quickly remove the brown husk from a coconut. This automatic machine precisely drills and paints the pips on dice for mass production. This motorized dolly uses a unique wheel system to effortlessly transport heavy water jugs up and down stairs. This fountain features a polished stone sphere that floats and rotates on a thin layer of water. This large lathe is performing a boring operation, precisely carving a clean and smooth inner surface of a metal tube. This is an electrolysis process. Copper wire is being electroplated with a silver-colored coating. This ship is undergoing maintenance in a dry dock, where a worker is painting the side of its hull. This machine uses a spot welding process to quickly connect the battery cells into a larger pack. This is a vacuum lifter being used to efficiently and safely move heavy sacks. This person is meticulously removing the top layer of a basketball to reveal a decorative pattern underneath. This metal forming machine uses a set of rollers and a human-powered pedal to efficiently shape metal rods into perfect rings. This box folding machine uses rollers and guides to automatically fold flat cardboard into three-dimensional boxes. This hay baling machine uses a conveyor to compress hay, which is then wrapped in netting. This worker is using an extended conveyor belt to precisely stack and arrange heavy sacks inside a truck. This specialized machine uses a vibrating roller to quickly and smoothly shape concrete into a curve. This shows a bending machine using a forklift and a chain to uncoil and straighten steel rods. This metal spinning process uses a lathe to form sheet metal into a cylindrical shape. This machine uses a laser guide to precisely cut lumber into boards using a large bandsaw. This is a specialized feeding vehicle used to distribute hay evenly to livestock in a barn. This shows a blacksmith using a power hammer and dies to shape red-hot metal into a specific form. This machine uses a CNC router to precisely cut and shape a perfect dovetail joint in wood. This hydraulic press uses a die to forge a hot metal billet into a decorative spoon handle. This machine is a belt sander, used here for polishing and refining the edges of a metal part. This hydraulic press uses a die to punch holes and create a specific shape in a piece of sheet metal. It's then further processed with a laser welder to weld it. This coin wrapping machine automatically sorts and packages coins into paper rolls. This forging process uses an induction coil to heat the metal, which is then shaped by a rolling machine and a hydraulic press. This kitchen gadget is a spiralizer used to cut vegetables into long, continuous ribbons. This machine uses sand casting to pour molten metal into a mold, creating a new metal part. This automated machine is a paper cutter, swiftly trimming a large stack of paper to a precise size. automated machine efficiently attaches decorative beads and studs to fabric, creating a rhinestone-like pattern. This large bandsaw mill is being used to cut and slice a large log into timber boards. This automated machine uses a specialized attachment to transplant small plants on a farm. This automated machine efficiently coats the tips of firecrackers with a mixture of gunpowder. This shows an automated conveyor system guiding metal beams for precise sorting and manufacturing. This shows a worker using a table saw with a specialized fence to quickly and accurately cut a wooden beam at a precise angle. This machine efficiently automates the process of erecting and filling small boxes with products. This is a hammer mill used to grind corn cobs, grass, and other agricultural materials into a fine powder. This forging machine twists a red-hot metal bar, creating a classic spiral pattern for decorative purposes. This hydraulic splitting machine uses a blade to easily and precisely cut through a block of stone. This shows a woodworker using a router and chainsaw to create a unique hollowed-out wooden stump or bowl. This machine forges and shapes metal links to create heavy-duty chains with remarkable speed. This device is a manual briquette maker for compressing soil, creating portable planting or fuel blocks. This excavator demonstrates the strength and precision of its tracked system by crushing objects without affecting a standing lighter. automated machine uses a series of complex tools to quickly and precisely cut, bend, and shape metal wire into different parts. This device uses a slanted, channeled board to sort round objects, such as these macadamia nuts. This worker uses an ingenious tool to quickly bundle and organize gloves with rubber bands. This rolling machine quickly and efficiently shapes round metal stock into a threaded bar. A machine that uses a vacuum to suck up grain and then processes it into a fine powder. This shows a large forklift using its forks to lift and move a massive block of stone. This shows a worker using a heat gun to shrink wrap a battery pack, protecting it with a secure plastic layer. This machine uses a rotating blade to efficiently cut corrugated cardboard into a specific shape. This man efficiently unloads sacks from a conveyor belt, showcasing quick and repetitive manual labor. This worker uses a special container to pour batter in a spiral pattern on a hot griddle, creating thin noodles. This shows a large automated bandsaw mill cutting a log into multiple planks of wood. This forging process uses a hydraulic press and a specialized die to shape and form a hammerhead. This shows a machine laminating a thick sheet of yellow material with a transparent plastic film. This automated production line uses a thermoforming process to rapidly form, cut, and stack plastic cups. automated machine dips cloth gloves into a liquid to create a rubberized coating. This hydraulic press machine is used to stamp and form sheet metal into a specific shape. This craftsman is filing a large saw blade by hand, sharpening each tooth with a metal file. This shows a skilled craftsman using a chainsaw to carve a decorative wooden bowl from a log. This extrusion machine creates corrugated plastic tubing by molding and shaping molten plastic as it moves through the die. This process is coil winding, where a wire is precisely wrapped around a core to create an electromagnetic coil. This specialized machine uses a claw and a rotating blade to efficiently strip the bark from a cut tree trunk. Forging a metal part using a hydraulic press. This wood chipper efficiently grinds corn cobs and other materials into fine sawdust. This shows an induction hardening process, where a metal part is quickly heated and then quenched. A circular saw cuts a log. This machine uses spot welding to connect multiple batteries in a series, creating a larger battery pack. This device is an automated, portable labeling machine used to print text on the ground. This machine uses induction heating to soften a metal pipe, which is then forged into a curved shape.